these are my ingredients for my quick and easy pumpkin cheesecake. To my bowl, I have graham cracker crust with toasted almonds and pecans mixed together. I also have 1 can of pumpkin. I have some sugar, melted butter. I also have 2 packs of Philadelphia cheese at room temperature, 3 eggs also at room temperature. To the graham cracker crust, I'll go ahead and add the melted butter, and we will mix this well. Then we will place the crumb into the pan, and we will flatten that with anything that is flat, has a flat surface. We can flat that in there. All right, now we will add the cream cheese to the bowl. Guys, I'm using my hand mixer because I'm not making a large cheesecake, so I'm just using my hand mixer. So what we'll do is cream this cream cheese until it is nice and creamy. Now I'll add my sugar, and we'll cream that in the cheese. Make sure it is all well combined. Alright, so that looks good. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and now I'm also adding my eggs one at a time. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour, and that is all-purpose flour mixed well. To that we'll also add our pumpkin. Now to the pan, I also did add, guys, pumpkin spice, which is really good. I add 1 tablespoon of the pumpkin spice into the mixture as well. Okay, I place that in the pan, and the pan is sitting on a foil paper. That is to actually secure the bottom of the pan, because I will now add some warm water into that pan before I place it into the oven for baking. Here you have it, guys, my quick and easy pumpkin cheesecake. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share.